Okay, go.
One! Come on, get it. Oh my God, don't you? Come on, get it. Oh, don't.
Be still, Trevin. You're distracting him. Okay, Corbin, run with it. There we go. Oh, he lost it. Wait a minute. Let him find it again. Okay, go. Hey, Trevin.
What?
That's the best toy your daddy sent home with you. Everybody can play with it. Even the dog.
Even the dog. Good boy.
Rudy, drop it.
Stop it.
Rudy, drop it.
Stop it. That's my special ball.
Good boy. Oops.
Stop it.
Okay, Corbin, run with it.
Wait, that's you, Wuggy.
Okay, wait, you gotta let him catch it every once in a while. There he goes. Woohoo!
Let me see.
I can't film with you on my arm. I can't film with your head in the way either, silly goose.
Hey, the pickle done. I want mine.
That's a good shot of the dog's butt.
Let me see.
You'll have to wait. Get your. I can't see, Trev.
My dad.
Good job, Slick.
Come on. Let me. Drop.
Rudy, drop it.
Drop it. Drop it.
Oh, isn't him cute?
Yeah.
Except we can't film
He's
that.
so fierce.
He's pretty quick, too.
Look, it got me. It's a pickle done, old Waggy.
Nope, we're still recording.
Oh my gosh. This is so awesome.
Don't tease him.
Oh, he got him.
Hold on, Corbin. Whoops.
Hey!
Well, one thing's for sure, Rudy's definitely getting his exercise today. Wow, nice jump.
Hey! Yeah! How you doing?
Oh, my arm's getting tired. All right, bring her in.
Is it done? Mommy,
Okay, hold on. And good job, Rudy. Good boy. Drop it.
stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop.
Rudy, drop it.
Stop it. Okay, drop it.
Boy out his mouth.